Conquering the ranking. English Ordinal Numbers 11th-20th. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we are going to focus on a very exciting topic, ordinal numbers 11th to 20th, but not just as standalone words. We're going to look at how we can use them effectively in context, specifically in the sphere of ranking and placement. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go! Before we start using ordinal numbers in context, let's quickly review what they are. Ordinal numbers are numbers that indicate the position or order of things in a list. The ordinal numbers from 11th to 20th are as follows: 11th, 11th, 12th, 12th, 13th, 13th, 14th, 14th, 15th, 15th, 16th, 16th, 17th, 17th, 18th, 18th, 19th, 19th, 20th, 20th. These numbers are essential when we are discussing rankings and placements. Now let's see how we can use them in context. Rankings can be found in every aspect of our life, from sports and academics to business rankings and more. Let's look at some examples. The English football team finished 12th in the World Cup. Out of all the students in my class, I came 14th in the math test. China is the 15th largest country in the world by land area. In all these cases, we use ordinal numbers to indicate the position or rank. Remember, when reading out the number, we always use the ordinal form. So it's 12, not 12. Apart from rankings, ordinal numbers are also used to describe the placement of objects or people. Our office is located on the 11th floor. She sat in the 13th row at the concert. The 17th century was a period of great change. Here, ordinal numbers are helping us understand where things are placed in a sequence. And there you have it. We have tackled the interesting subject of ordinal numbers 11th-20th in the context of ranking and placement. These ordinal numbers are invaluable tools to add more precision and clarity in our daily communication. Keep practicing using these ordinal numbers in different contexts, and soon, it'll be second nature to you. Remember, learning a new language is all about practice and consistency. Keep up the good work, and see you in our next lesson.